Assalamu alaikum audience. So today we will discuss lecture number 42 and I have collected all these vocabulary facts and figures from Dawn newspaper. So the first one is embezzlement. So embezzlement meaning is oven. So now definition, so to steal money that you have been trusted with. Next one is rivals. So rivals meaning is contender, competitor or challenger. Next one is feud. So a mutual enmity or quarrel that is often prolonged or inveterate. Next one is frivolous. So silly and not serious, not important, trivial. Next one is exemption. So its meaning is immunity or impunity. Anonymity, so its meaning is silence, the quality or state of unknown, gumnami. Next one is mafias. So the meaning of mafias is gang. Next one, extortion. So the crime of getting money from someone by use of force or threats. Next one is lining. So material that cover the inner surface of something. So it's called lining. Next one is rampant. So growing quickly and in a way that is difficult to control. Next one is leveling. So become level or even. Another meaning is to make level or straight. Next one is confessed. So the meaning of confess is profess. Next one is allegations. So statement saying that someone has done something wrong or illegal. So it's called allegations. Next one, wagging. To start and continue in order to get or achieve something. So it's called wagging. Next one, unprecedented, unexampled, not done or experienced before. So it's called unprecedented. Next one, curious. So beyond or deviating from usual or expected. Beyond or deviating from usual or expected. Another meaning is strange, unusual. Curious is also used for uh, in a way if someone have strong desire for someone or something, so it's also called curious. Next one, megapolis or metropolis. So a very large city is called megapolis, just like Karachi in Pakistan, New Delhi in India, London in UK, and many more cities which fall in the category of megapolis. Next one is commuters. So someone who travel regularly from home in a suburb to work in city. So it's called commuters, are those people who travel on daily basis mostly in cities. Psychedelic, so nafsiyati, and its synonym is agitated, hallucinatory. Next one is menace, so danger, trouble, threat, risk. Next one is perjury, so criminal offense of making false statement under oath. So it's called perjury. Next one is forgery. We have studied this in drug law and drug act of 1976. So forgery meaning is something that is falsely made or copied in order to deceive people. So spurious drugs are mostly manufactured in pharmaceutical companies. So it's the duty of drug regulatory authority of Pakistan to sort out forgery mostly in medicine because it's the domain of the rep. Next one is prominence. So the meaning of prominence is relative importance, ahmiyat. Next one is wrenching. So something unpleasant that happens cause you to feel emotional pain. So it's called wrenching or gut wrenching. So emotional pain, unpleasant feelings. Next one is reluctance. Reluctance meaning is disinclination or unwillingness. Next one is a havoc. So the floods of 2022 in Pakistan has caused too much havoc, mostly in Karachi because that was urban flood. So havoc meaning is disorder, chaos, disorganization. Next one is ripples or ripples effect. We have studied this in physics. So the meaning of ripples is to pass or spread through air. So ripples are mostly used for waves. Pathetic. So the meaning of pathetic is kabile rahim, weak, poor, very bad, unpleasant. Saga, a long and complicated series of events. So it's called saga. So the political history of Pakistan is a saga. Nipping. So the meaning of nipping is chilly or glacial, bone chilling, chilly, wintry, shivery. Next one is maim. So to injury very badly by force or violence. So it's all for today. If you people have any question or query, so you people can ask freely. At the end, you people become stick with Dawn Times for more videos and updates so your preparation will going well. So good luck.